Hi, this is Ninad, and 4 years back, something terribly bad happened. I got my JEE Mains का result, and it was really bad. मुझे यार, I won't tell the result. It's really bad. I got some percentile, और उन percentile से I wouldn't have got any NITs. IITs तो बहुत दूर की बात है, but कोई NIT भी नहीं मिलती. I had wasted my parents का 2 lakh rupees which they paid for my coaching. Complete waste. But yeah, I was sad and directionless.
निनाद चल मछिया जा रहे हैं।
हाँ रुक जा, सॉरी गाइस. तो directionless, I was full of guilt कि क्या करना है. I didn't know what to do. I just wanted one more opportunity. I want to build my career यार. मतलब मुझे कंप्यूटर साइंस लेना था. I want to build my career. But कैसे करता? रिजल्ट आ गया है, कॉलेज का क्या करूँ? That was a bad time. I mean, I want to do a lot of things. I want to meet people, I want to travel, to get financially free. But कैसे होता है ये सब? I mean, नहीं पता. So this video is about that कि मैंने कैसे किया. And I'm going to a waterfall and I'll take you guys with me. And we'll speak about this in this video. So चले आपको ले चलते हैं in this chapter of Ninad, JEE Mains वाला chapter. हम जो चलने लगे. It's been fun, man. I mean, 2 months back I graduated from college and 4 साल बहुत जल्द चले गए. I did 4-5 internships. I worked at Oracle. I work at Oracle. I interned at Oracle. I have done 10-15 treks with my own money. I got financial freedom. I bought this phone with that money. I create content from 2 years. I created valuable connections here in Bangalore. मतलब देखा जाए this 4 years I have been living from that JEE वाला phase. So अभी भी देखोगे तो I came at this beautiful lake which I'll show it to you for a swim with some strangers and I love it. But तो देखो मेरे दिमाग में इतना क्लियर था कि सिटी विल बी माई प्रायोरिटी. एज इन मुझे जाना था एक अच्छी सिटी में बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू गेट एक्सपोजर. बिकॉज यार अगर कैंपस से प्लेसमेंट नहीं भी मिली आई विल गेट ऑफ कैंपस. तो ये मेरा मेंटेलिटी था 4 years बैक. एंड बिकॉज सी आई हैड दिस प्रायोरिटी सिटी नंबर 1, सेकेंड विल बी माई कॉलेज एंड थर्ड विल बी माई डिग्री. हाँ मुझे कंप्यूटर साइंस ही लेना था बट स्टिल डिग्री आई कैन बहुत मैनेज इफ ओनली इफ I don't get mechanical and civil. वो छोड़ के I can accept any degree. So city was Bangalore was number 1 priority obviously. I love that place and the second place was Pune as being Marathi and the third place was Bombay. So yeah, that was my priority. So चलते, let's go for a swim guys. And I don't know if you can see the fishes. Hunger for a better life. I got into this EMS College of Engineering right into the heart of Bangalore city and I was very happy. So I got electrical and electronics branch. That's triple E branch. ठीक है, I mean it was not the one which I wanted but as I told the city was my priority. तो city Bangalore मिल गया and that was center of Bangalore and the metro station was only 1.5 kilometers, so that was another advantage I did. So I got into BMS through a government of India seat. So that's one thing and that's how my college started. So yeah, first of all these 2 reasons helped me a lot. That first was I chose city over college and second was my hunger. तो यार ये तो क्लियर था. तो मैंने सोचा कि it's like a race and race में अगर भागना ही है तो why not start the race earlier. So what I did was during my 12th, after my 12th JEE देने के बाद, रिजल्ट आने के बाद, we had COVID and we had a long break, मतलब छुट्टी थी. So what I did was मैंने courses वगैरह सब पहले ही कर लिए, like web development course, app development course. I thought कि uh, people usually start in first second year, so I thought कि पहले ही करके जाऊंगा तो it will be better for me. I will save some time, and that also proved to be a wonderful decision. तो जैसे ही I went to Bangalore, second sem start off, first sem start off, I started applying like every day. Every day I used to apply 10 plus for 10 plus internships. Obviously getting rejected because they won't hire a fresher. But I would say market was much more easy at that time compared to post COVID and जैसे layoffs देखने मिले. तो what I did was apply कर रहा था but नहीं मिल रहा था. And somehow luckily during my third semester starting, I got an internship at the media end as a software developer, as a web developer, as a front end developer basically. And how did I get that internship is a very wonderful story. मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई है, you can see that video. तो the point here is, जैसे ही मुझे इंटर्नशिप मिली, आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग लाइक एनीथिंग. मतलब जो मैंने कोर्सेज वगैरह में सीख के आया था बिफोर कॉलेज, आई यूज टू अप्लाई दैट. आई यूज टू वर्क ऑन रिएक्ट, नेक्स्ट.js, MongoDB in startup, and vast I got great exposure because yeah, in college you create projects but only you and your friends create. It's not like proper production wala projects. So as I worked in the startup, the media, I got crazy exposure for tech, and then simultaneously I was learning more and more, and then after that I got another internship and ऐसे चलती रही. So I completed like 5 internships fourth year तक. तो I think जैसे मुझे internship मिली, that boosted my confidence because I was meeting new people every day, all over 30 plus, very good in tech. So college से ये थोड़ा अलग crowd था, which helped me to understand tech in a better manner, I would say. And जैसे मैंने internship की, also started getting money, तो पैसे मिलने लग गए. And getting money, I was able to afford few things which I couldn't before, like trips वगैरह जाने लग गया. I did my first solo trip in 2022, January or February, I guess, yeah, starting. I went there and I met wonderful people again, all were very big. And then उसके बाद again solo trip मैं करता गया. I bought iPhone and I started creating content, started my YouTube journey. The point here is हार्ड वर्क करते रहो. आई मीन इट्स नॉट सर्टन यार, मतलब जस्ट कीप डूइंग, यू विल गेट. एंड आई आल्सो डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि मुझे इंटर्नशिप इतनी जल्दी मिल जाएगी, बट आई गॉट लकीली. And after that, when I got my first internship, I gifted my parents, I gifted my mom a watch, dad wallet, and my brother headphones. So again, a wonderful experience. I mean, second year में मैंने किया, and it really gave me confidence कि JEE was not everything. मतलब बहुत क्रेजी गंदा मैंने हगा जेई में, बट स्टिल आई was able to do whatever I wanted. The point here is JEE does matter, but it's not the only solution, because after all तुम्हें करना कुछ और है. तो फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स में अगर अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आए, that's okay. That's not the end, that's not the goal. Remember, आपका लाइफ का गोल ये नहीं है कि आपको जेई मेंस में 99 परसेंटाइल लाना है. It's to make to have a good career, to उखाड़ना है बेसिकली. तो उखाड़ना स्टार्ट करो जल्दी, जितना जल्दी स्टार्ट कर सके उतना अच्छा, बिकॉज जाके इंडिरेक्टली आप कॉलेज में करने ही वाले हो. तो that's what the point of this video is. And पढ़ो यार जेई के लिए, but जेई is not the only way you can have fun and have a good career. That's what the point of this video is. And thank you for watching this video. I am currently here in Beer. I am here doing my paragliding. So you can see that I'm a free flyer paraglider pilot now. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be putting more content regarding whatever I'm exploring here. So bye, see you guys.